Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play the Trickybeas chapter in FC Mobile. This is the new heroes chapter. Before we start, I made this video for a beginner new into this game, still confused how we can challenge the event, how we can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this heroes event. And let's jump into the new chapter. This is the Trickybeas. So welcome to the heroes new chapter. Here comes Trickybeas, the Marcus Beasley. So you can play this discharging. Same with the motor. You play like a skill games and also matches here. And you can exchange Trickybeas token for rewards. This is you have to play the skill game to earn the token. And this is the reward. Choose one of the three final rewards. So kick off Trickybeas chapter. So this Trickybeas is aka the Marcus Beasley from United States with 93 left midfielder position. So you can read about this. This is like trivia. So you play one skill game, one match game, and get heroes reward path, and also again one match game and one skill game. Total 2 match games and 2 skill games. So after that you can earn the token and you can exchange with heroes reward path here. For example, 40 a token. So this is the Trickybeas token. And after that, this is the final reward. You can choose one of this reward. So challenge yourself in this Trickybeas chapter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.